What is up, everybody? How's it going? How you doing? What you been up to? Comment it down below. Let's talk and have some fun. So if you don't watch American motocross or motocross, whatever, Lucas Oil Pro Motocross, whatever you want to call it, Jett Lawrence won. Jett Lawrence has won the title for the 250 class, whatever you want to call it, and his brother finished third. So that's two things. One, it is the first time an Australian rider has ever won the 250 title. And two, it is the first time that two brothers have finished in the top three in the same season. That's pretty damn good, especially considering, they're on the same team. So for Honda, that's awesome. Have two people in the top three, one person winning, one person third. That's really good for them to show that, hey, our 250 bike is good. Shows that obviously Jett Lawrence, everyone already knows this, but has talent up to wazoo he's going to be the next superstar. Hunter Lawrence, too, for him to show that he can go for a whole season, not get injured, and be competitive up in the front. So that's good for both of them. And it's a pretty cool thing to consider two brothers in the top three for the same team on the same bike, both making setting two different records. And I think it was a great season. I don't see this being Jett Lawrence's last title ever. I think he's going to be the phenomenon that everyone thinks he's going to be. But tell me down in the comments below, do you think he's going to do good? Do you think it's hype and he's got one title in him and that's going to be it? Or do you think his brother's going to come back and, get his own 250 or maybe 450 title when they get there? But comment down below, tell me what you think. I'll see y'all later. Peace.